If you're looking to understand how to use Folk CRM with Trello, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the seamless integration of these two powerful tools to help you manage your workflow, track customer interactions, and streamline your team's processes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage this integration to boost your productivity. Folk CRM is a simple but effective customer relationship management system that focuses on keeping your client data organized and accessible. But it really shines when paired with Trello, the project management tool that's perfect for teams looking to collaborate on tasks in a visually intuitive way. Combining these two gives you the best of both worlds: robust CRM features and powerful task management. To start using Folk CRM with Trello, first you'll need to sign up for Folk CRM, which is completely free. There's a link below for an exclusive bonus that extends your free trial even further, so make sure you check it out after this video. Once you've signed up and logged into Folk CRM, the integration with Trello is straightforward. All you have to do is connect your Trello account within Folk CRM settings. Once connected, you can begin adding your Trello boards directly into Folk CRM. This gives you a unified view of your projects and client interactions. Instead of having to jump between tools, you'll be able to see everything in one place. For example, you can add your clients to specific Trello cards and easily track their progress through each stage of your project's workflow. A key benefit of using Folk CRM with Trello is the ability to link your CRM data directly to tasks. Let's say you're managing multiple leads for a new product launch. You can create a Trello card for each lead and link that card to the corresponding contact in Folk CRM. This will help you keep your customer communications and task management tightly integrated, so you never miss a follow-up or important deadline. As you move tasks along in Trello, you can also update your client status in Folk CRM. For instance, when a lead moves from prospecting to negotiation in Trello, you can change their stage in Folk CRM with just a few clicks. It's this fluidity that makes Folk CRM with Trello such a powerful combo. For teams that work on different projects, this integration is invaluable. Whether you're managing client onboarding, follow-ups, or internal workflows, syncing your tasks across both platforms means you stay on top of everything. Plus, you can easily share boards or updates with your team so everyone is on the same page. Don't forget about automations. You can create custom workflows that automatically update your Trello boards based on actions in Folk CRM, or vice versa. These automations save time and reduce manual data entry. They also help you ensure consistency across your CRM and project management processes. To wrap up, using Folk CRM with Trello isn't just about syncing two tools. It's about enhancing your team's efficiency and staying organized without having to switch back and forth between apps. If you want to start using Folk CRM with Trello for free, check the link in the description. Don't forget, this comes with an exclusive extended free trial you won't find anywhere else. That's a quick breakdown on how to use Folk CRM with Trello. Take the time to explore these features and see how they can streamline your processes. Make sure you're making the most out of this integration, and I'll see you in the next video.